I have no idea what these birds are. They look funny the way they walk. I hope you can see the markings. Isn't that neat? Never saw that one before. Came out and there they were this morning. It's just a pair of them. I guess the big one's a male and his wife. Oh, that's pretty. I just missed a shot at one on the water dish. I scared it off. Well, I'll be online. Take me forever today to try to figure out what that is. And this is Friday morning. Typical AM. We got the blue jay and baby cardinals, the greedy doves. And now we have that new guy. They walk funny. They walk like they got stiff legs or something like me. Oh, and there's my Inca doves. I can't focus. I'm shooting at an angle. There we go. That's Turnfeather and his wife out there. And the big doves cause them to disappear. Typical morning around here. Feeder there. Another one up in the cage feeder. A hummingbird's been here. You can't see, but underneath I took a coat hanger and rigged him a little perch. It fits just perfectly. Well, I used to think bird watchers were just eggheads, but it's finding something new, like those two that just showed up, that makes it interesting. Makes it a challenge to try to go and find out what it is. Y'all have a good one.